amazing coding stars! Welcome back to our ScratchJr adventure. You've already explored the ScratchJr workspace. Great job! If you don't have it yet, ask a grown-up to help you download ScratchJr on a tablet or phone. It's free and perfect for you little coding stars to get started. You can find the download link for ScratchJr right below in the video description, so make sure to check it out and follow along. Now, let's take the next big step, creating your very own project. Ready to make some magic? Let's get started. First, let's open a brand new project. See that big blue plus button? Tap it and ta-da! A blank stage appears, ready for your creativity. It's like a blank canvas for your stories and games. Now let's give your project a name. Tap on the little pencil icon at the top. What will you call it? Maybe dancing cats or flying rockets? Choose something fun and creative. Your project deserves an awesome name. Great job! Now let's save your project. ScratchJr saves your work automatically, but it's always a good idea to check. Just tap the home button, and there it is. Your project is safe and sound, waiting for you to return. Wow, coding stars! You've just created and saved your very first project. How cool is that? Remember, every big adventure starts with a single step, and you've just taken yours. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and I can't wait to see the amazing projects you'll make. Don't forget to hit like and share your ideas in the comments. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next exciting lesson. See you soon!